This is your biology class. I'm your teacher Seema Atreja. Students, in previous lecture we discussed that menstrual cycle is completed in 4 phases: menstrual phase, follicular phase, ovulatory phase and luteal phase. All these 4 phases we will discuss in detail. During these phases certain changes takes place in uterine wall, ovarian hormone level also changes inside the ovary also occurs, and certain hormones released from the pituitary gland. So we all will discuss in this lecture. So we divide this on a lower side. We will discuss the phases. Here we will write the phases, all the 4 phases. Above this we will show the changes in uterine wall, that is inner lining of uterus, that is known as the endometrium. We will discuss here. Above this we will discuss the changes in the ovarian hormone, above this we will show the changes in the ovary, and here we show the hormones of pituitary gland. The first phase in menstrual cycle is the menstrual phase. Which is of 3 to 5 days. What happens in menstrual phase? Inner lining of endometrium breaks down. This is the endometrium breaks and bleeding takes place. So this is known as the menstrual phase, which is of 3 to 5 days. Why there is the breakdown of endometrium takes place? Because of the low level of progesterone. Progesterone is released from the corpus luteum. Progesterone level is very less, lowest level of progesterone. Because of this, endometrium, that is inner lining of uterus, breaks down. Because of this low level of progesterone, this low level of progesterone stimulates pituitary gland and pituitary gland secrete FSH hormone, that is follicle stimulating hormone, is secreted when there is low level of progesterone in human female. So this is the first phase, that is menstrual phase. एक बार फिर से repeat करते हैं. There is low level of progesterone which is secreted from the corpus luteum. There is the breakdown of inner lining of uterus, that is endometrium breaks down and bleeding takes place. This phase is known as the menstrual phase. This low level of progesterone stimulates pituitary gland to secrete follicle stimulating hormone from their anterior lobe. Level of follicle stimulating hormone increases, which causes growth of the follicles inside the ovary. Due to increased level of FSH, there is the growth of ovarian follicle takes place in the ovary. These are the ovarian follicle. Growth takes place. Primary follicle produced, secondary follicle produced, tertiary follicle produced, and at last Graafian follicle produced. Inside the Graafian follicle, secondary oocyte is present. This phase is known as the follicular phase. Which is of about 10 to 12 days. During follicular phase, what happens? High level of FSH, which stimulates growth of the follicles inside the ovary, and Graafian follicle is produced. Follicular cells of the follicle secrete estrogen. These follicle cells secrete estrogen. So there is high level of estrogen takes place. Level of estrogen increases. Estrogen का level increase कर जाता है. This is the increased level of estrogen. Estrogen secreted from the follicular cells of the Graafian follicles. This increased level of estrogen stimulates pituitary gland to secrete luteinizing hormone, and secretion of FSH decreases. Increased level of estrogen stimulates pituitary gland to decrease the secretion of follicle stimulating hormone and increase the secretion of luteinizing hormone. So there is increase in the level of luteinizing hormone takes place. Because of this increased level of luteinizing hormone, ovulation takes place. Graafian follicle rupture and egg is released. This is known as the ovulatory phase. Which takes place at 14th day. That is mid of the menstrual cycle. This increased level of estrogen causes growth of the endometrium during follicular phase. What happens at the follicular phase? Due to low level of progesterone, pituitary gland secrete FSH hormone, which causes growth of the ovarian follicles. Graafian follicle is produced, and inside the Graafian follicle secondary oocyte is present. Follicle cell of the ovarian follicle secrete estrogen. Level of estrogen increases. As the level of estrogen increases, it causes growth of the endometrium, that is inner lining of the uterus, and it becomes 2 to 3 millimeter thick. Increased level of estrogen also stimulate pituitary gland to decrease secretion of follicle stimulating hormone and increase the secretion of luteinizing hormone LH. Because of the rise in the level of luteinizing hormone, Graafian follicle rupture and ovulation takes place. Egg is released. That is why the third phase is known as the ovulatory phase. During this phase, secretion of LH increases, amount of LH increases. So there is increase in the LH hormone takes place. This is the increase in the LH, which is known as the LH surge. That is, rise level of luteinizing hormone is known as the LH surge, which causes ovulation, that is Graafian follicle rupture. Ovulation takes place. It takes place at 14th day of the menstrual cycle, that is mid of the menstrual cycle. It is known as the ovulatory phase. Now the ruptured Graafian follicle, this ruptured Graafian follicle is converted into corpus luteum. This is known as the corpus luteum. So corpus luteum is produced, so it is known as the luteal phase, which starts from 15th day to end of the menstrual cycle. Corpus luteum secrete progesterone. So again there is rise in the progesterone hormone takes place. Level of progesterone, which is lowest, and now due to formation of corpus luteum there is rise in the progesterone hormone takes place. Due to rise in the progesterone hormone, the endometrium further develops. Certain folds develop into the endometrium, that is inner lining of the uterus, and it becomes about 5 mm thick and glandular. If fertilization takes place, corpus luteum persists throughout the gestation period, pregnancy established, and progesterone maintains the growth of the endometrium and placenta formation takes place. But if fertilization does not take place, then corpus luteum converted into corpus albicans, progesterone level decreases and it becomes lowest, low progesterone, and then again endometrium breaks down and bleeding takes place, and again menstruation takes place. So this is the complete cycle. एक complete cycle menstrual cycle एक menstruation से menstrual phase से start होती है और एक menstrual phase पर end हो जाता है अगर fertilization नहीं होता. तो these are all type of changes which occur during menstrual cycle in 4 phases. First phase is menstrual phase, which is of 3 to 5 days. During this phase, bleeding takes place. Inner lining of endometrium breaks down due to low secretion of progesterone. Progesterone release from the corpus luteum. This low level of progesterone stimulates pituitary gland to secrete FSH hormone. There is rise in the FSH hormone takes place. Second phase is known as the follicular phase, which is of 10 to 12 days. What happens in this case? Increased level of FSH hormone stimulates growth of the ovarian follicle inside the ovary, and Graafian follicle is produced. Inside the Graafian follicle, secondary oocyte is there. Follicular cells of the Graafian follicle secrete estrogen, so level of estrogen increases, which causes growth of the endometrium of the uterus. Increased level of estrogen also stimulate pituitary gland, decrease the secretion of follicle stimulating hormone, and increase the secretion of luteinizing hormone. Now the rise in the luteinizing hormone takes place, which is known as the LH surge. This increased level of LH hormone causes ovulation. That is, Graafian follicle ruptures, ovulation takes place, egg is released, and LH hormone also causes further growth of the endometrium lining. It becomes about 5 mm thick, and also glands develop inside this. Now the ruptured Graafian follicle, due to increased level of LH, converted into the corpus luteum. Corpus luteum secrete progesterone. Now the level of progesterone hormone increases, and it maintains the growth of the endometrium for placenta formation. If fertilization takes place, this corpus luteum persists throughout the gestation period, secrete progesterone hormone, which maintains the growth of the endometrium, and placenta remains to provide nourishment to the developing child. And this phase is known as the luteal phase, which is about 15 to 28 days. But if fertilization not takes place, then what happens? This corpus luteum converted into corpus albicans. Secretion of progesterone decreases, and this thick endometrium again breaks down, and menstruation started. This is the complete menstrual cycle. The concept of menstrual cycle, I think, very much clear to you all. Thank you so much.